are looking for a phone to take photos and videos, you definitely can't miss out the vivo X60 Pro. Last June, the company have launched the X50 Pro, and what's so special about this phone and what have they upgraded on this phone by comparing with the previous model? So this phone comes with a professional photography, which is a big upgrade. Why did I say that? It's because it's co-engineered with Zeiss and you look light and sleek as well. Alright, let us take it slow and start from the design. From the back here, there's a camera module and a vivo logo. Take a closer look, you can see the Zeiss logo here. For me, the camera module and the vivo logo is acceptable and it is not too big. This device comes with two color variants, which are midnight black and shimmer blue. I personally think each of these colors is kinda cool and I like the shimmer blue. Why? Because it doesn't look boring to me, and check it out, it will change color from different angles. Worth mentioning that the back is made from AG glass with satin finish. So say goodbye to the fingerprint stain! Alright, look at the front here. It's for a 6.56-inch punch-hole Full HD Plus AMOLED curve with up to 120Hz refresh rate and support 240Hz touch sampling rate. It features an HDR10 Plus and high-res certification. Well, from here, you already know that this phone can provide you a better watching and hearing experience. This phone supports a Snapdragon 870 chipset, which boosts 10% faster in both CPU and GPU performance by comparing with the Snapdragon 865. As for the RAM and ROM, this device comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. According to Vivo, the RAM can be extended up to 15GB as well. Wow, 50GB of RAM! I think it's enough for you, right? Moving on to the camera, this device sports a 32MP selfie snapper and triple rear camera with a 48MP main camera, 30MP portrait lens, and 30MP super wide angle plus macro lens. There are some upgrades on the camera features such as gimbal stabilization 2.0, so no more blurry photos. Kit snapshot, Pro Sport mode will help to focus fast, Extreme Night Vision 2.0, HDR Super Night Portrait to help you capture the stunning night shots, 30MP super wide angle and super macro camera as well. On the other hand, with all these features, how long can this phone last for a single charge? Well, this phone is powered by a 4200mAh battery and supports 33W flash charge. The price tag of this device is 3,299 ringgit. This one comes with a great camera technology, and how can you miss out if you are the one who likes to take photos or videos? So I suggest to the person who likes to travel light and who likes to capture the moment of their life, can go for this phone. So what do you think about this phone? Don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah!